Hey, welcome to Bulk Club viewers. In today's video, we'll see how to make natural lizard repellent.
Here we go with the ingredients, guys. Onion, garlic, pepper and the leaves. It is called Karpuravalli in Tamil and Kannada, and in Hindi it is called Pata Ajwain. And a spray bottle. Put all these items in the mixer and grind it well. Now add some water as shown in the video and add the leaves as well. Boil the water for 5 minutes so that the essence of the leaves gets absorbed in the liquid. Post that, filter the liquid as shown in the video and allow the liquid to cool to the normal temperature. Now pour the final liquid in the spray bottle. Now you can spray this liquids in all the places where the lizards hide themselves.